smile and play. We'll draw something new every day.
Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Create. Today, we're drawing a super cute princess. But that's not all. There's more fun waiting for you. Stick around for a cool fun fact and a free coloring page of this drawing. I'll show you how to get it soon. Did you know? Princess Leonor of Spain became a princess just 3 days after she was born, because she was first in line to the throne. You're doing an amazing job. Remember, it's okay if your lines aren't perfect. Mine aren't always either. That's what makes art fun. Imagine who you would draw this for. Maybe as a gift for your best friend, a surprise for someone in your family, or just for someone who loves colorful art as much as you do. Now that our princess is drawn, it's time to bring it to life with colors, and here's something exciting. This exact drawing is available as a free coloring page for you to download. The link is in the description below, so don't miss it. Remember, you can choose any color you like, whether it's bright pink, sunny yellow, cool blue, or even a magical mix of all your favorite colors. Let your imagination run wild and make it your own masterpiece. Look how beautifully this is coming together. Every color you add makes it even more magical. Keep going, and let's see how amazing your creation will turn out. Wow! You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to download the free coloring page linked in the description. It's the perfect way to color this drawing as many times as you like. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more drawing adventures. See you next time.